Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to unbox my brand new Glossybox. So this is the January 2025 Glossybox and I have not opened it yet, so I have literally no idea what's inside. Okay, so this month we have a limited edition box and it's actually more of a drawer than a box. So this is a definite keeper for me. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first item we have got is by Earth Skin. This is a gel cleanser and it's a really nice generous size of 100 mils. I've never tried this brand before, but I am very happy to give it a go. It's a hydrating gel cleanser, so I'm really excited for this one, as I have lizard skin. Oh my god, the next item is a Glossybox rarity. This is something we don't normally see. It's a candle. It's by Bare Beauty and it's called Fresh Cotton. Sorry, I'm struggling to get it in focus. There we go. It does smell cottony. It smells very like laundry. It's nice. It's nice. It's really nice, actually. Oh, yeah. I've not tried Bare Beauty before, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. And it's always nice to get a candle in a beauty box. It really does smell lovely. It smells very cottony, very laundry-esque in a really good way. Okay, so next up we have a Glossybox foundation brush. I usually prefer this style of foundation brush, but considering how lazy I am and how much my brushes need washing, I'll probably be using this for a while. So that is the next item. New year, new foundation brush. Let's see what's next. Next up, this is Wonder Beauty, and these are gold eye masks, which quite frankly I do need because I look very tired at the moment. Let's blame Mary. Then as an added extra, we've got a couple of pucker nighttime teas. These are really good for helping to promote sleep. And then finally, I think this could be the best item of the whole box, although the candle is pretty amazing. This is by Korres Beauty. It's a probiotic face mask, 20 mils for nice and generous. And I really love Korres Beauty as well. Am I pronouncing that right? Is it Korres or is it Kors? Anyway, either way, I'm really excited about that. So that is this month's Glossybox. I think it's really good. I think the candle and the face mask are my two favourite things, but I will definitely get use out of the tea and the foundation brush and of course the cleanser too. And I think the eye patches are always handy as well if I've had a bad night with Mary. So it's a generally really good and really usable box, perfect for the new year. That is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Also, apologies, it's so dark today. It's crazy. But yeah, anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.